Hello, hello. May peace and blessings be with you. I hope that you're having a fantastic day. I am here. We're going to talk about creating gifts today. I really enjoy receiving gifts, sending gifts in my DMs, and also just on social media. They're just, so eye catching. And a couple of days ago, I was thinking, how do people create them? Can we create them? I was like, oh, let's give that a try. So I did a little bit of research. I learned how to do it, and they're super simple to make. So I was like, okay, let's get going and let's see how we do it. And we start using them in our communications too, in our posts, in our emails, in our DMs. It'll be fun. Okay. I hope that you're just as excited. If you're here with me live, say hello. Let me know you're here. If you're catching the replay, just use hashtag replay. I love seeing your comments. I love hearing what else will be helpful. So if you have suggestions for like future tech things you want to see for your business, let me know. If you're here for the first time, I am Timmy Mirza. I am super passionate about helping coaches, new entrepreneurs get launched with their first offers by simplifying tech for them. I just love playing with tech. It's like so funny the way I learn tech. I see something cool and I'm like, okay, how did they do it? Can I figure out how to do that myself too? So then I start to do some research, and a lot of times I'm watching videos like YouTube videos and tutorials and things like that while I'm cooking dinner. Yeah. But I just enjoy it very much. I am using StreamYard today. And if you send me a comment, I will see it and I will display it on screen as well. If you're using StreamYard for the first time, just allow StreamYard access to your name so that when your comment comes in, I'm able to see who is saying what. Okay, so let's dive in. We are going to use Canva for creating the GIFs. I think it's called GIFs. Some people say GIFs, whatever you call it, it's fine. Okay, so I am going to share my screen. I think that will be helpful, right? See. All right. So now you are seeing my screen. I am just in Canva. If you don't have a Canva account, you can start by using your email. Just create an account. To get started with Canva, it's free. And there's a lot you can do just with the free version. If you want to use some of their pro features, you'll have to get the pro subscription. And they give you a little crown next to certain things. For example, on my screen, you're seeing there's a little crown next to brand on the left here. So if I want to use any sort of like brand kits and things like that, import my brand kits in here, that's a pro feature. I have to upgrade to pro. But if that's not a need that you have, then you can just use the free version. Okay, I am going to turn off this logo so that it is not covering part of the screen. Okay, so I am in Canva and I was like, I can definitely find some. So let's do this. So if I just say GIFs and I'm looking for some GIF templates, it's going to, show me, some things that other people are doing. And if I hover my mouse over some of these, like you can kind of see what is the animation added to some of these things. So that's kind of, how people are creating them. And you can definitely grab one of these and get started from a template. Or if you want to just convert one of your photos into a GIF, that's what I'm going to try to do because I had lots of fun doing that yesterday. So I was like, okay, I'm just going to show a couple of different ways of doing this. So I'm going to get started with a welcome post that we do when people join our programs or join our email list or something like that. When we're doing a welcome message, before it used to be a bold old boring, oh my gosh. Bold, not bold, old and boring message that would just say welcome. Now we have leveled it up a little bit. We add a little picture with little confetti and balloons, but we're gonna take it to the next level by making it into a GIF, right? So for now, There's no animation whatsoever on here. And I have a couple of different versions with different colors. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to make a copy of this. So it's going to open in a new window for me. I'm going to close the old one. Okay, so I am here and I don't really need the second page, so I'm just going to delete that. I'm basically just going to take this and I'm just going to add some animation and export it as a GIF. That's literally what you have to do to be able to convert just a photo into a GIF. But I'm going to show you another way of adding video to your GIFs also. So um, hang in there, hang in there. Let's do this. Okay, so you can click on any element on here. So if you want to see what is on this page, you can click on this position button at the top and you can look at layers to kind of see what you have on here going on. Interesting. There is something over here that we're not even using. Very cool. Okay, so I'm going to go back. Let's not get distracted, Timmy. Okay, so these are the things we have. A couple of balloons, some of these like confetti elements in the photo. So all I want to do is basically animate these objects, right? Or these elements. I need to stop calling them objects, call them elements. I am going to click on animate. If I just click anywhere on here and click on animate, what happens? If I have something selected, it's only animating that little element. So as I click on it, just take a look. If I am hovering my mouse over any of these, you can kind of see what it's doing, right? So baseline is it's basically rising up from the bottom of the page. And you can really see, like if I do flicker or pulse, yeah, you can really notice it with the pulse. I hope on the live stream it's coming through okay. Okay, so basically there's, a lot of animation you can do. And I want to see if I just select the whole design. I'm going to hit Control A on my screen. And I'm going to click animate. Okay, so if I just do that, Control A is selecting basically all the elements on the page all at the same time, right? So if I just click on that and just preview some of these, what do I like, right? That's cool. I'm really liking this rise one. If you're happy with that, let's go with it. Should we go with it? Okay, I'm going to click on that. Then it's going to say what direction, right? Or animate both on enter and on exit. So I am going to leave it on enter. I think that's cool, right? When we open it, it's going to do this. And then what's the direction? From top to bottom does not make sense in this one, right? I think because they're balloon and confetti going up, I think it's better. So I'm going to leave it like that. And that's it, right? I'm happy with this animation. I'm happy the way it looks. And I am going to just stick with that. Now, what is bothering me is this object over here, this hidden object. Let's see what that is. Let's go explore. Oh, look at that. There was more confetti that we added, but we didn't use, but it got stuck there. All right, let's just delete it. We don't need it. Okay, so I can play it to see what it's going to look like, right? If I download it as a video, this is what it would look like, but that's not what we're going to do. We're going to just convert it into a GIF. So we are going to go to share in the top right corner, and we are going to download. I am going to change the type to a GIF. You can make it bigger if you want. This just increases the size of it. If size is an issue, then maybe not make it like that. I normally would increase the pixel size because that just gives it better quality, unless some system that I'm going to upload things to has a sizing limitation where it does not take like a file over, I don't know, like 2 megs or 5 megs or something. So that's when you can come back and reduce the pixels. Okay, so just like that, I'm just going to hit download and it's going to create this for me. While it's doing that, should we go on another adventure and start the next one? Let's save time. Let's do that. Okay, so I'm just going to add another page here. we will keep an eye on the download also. I have the downloads open on the other window, and I'll open it as soon as it's done. Okay, so all right, so we are going to add another one. I'm going to say, let's search for video GIFs, see what comes up. Go. So we have some examples here also. So cool, right? Look at these cute ones. So cute. Okay, so it is ready. So let's open this up. Okay, so this is what it's going to do. When someone opens this photo, this is what's going to happen. How cool is that? That is so much better than just a, should I try to say boring old photo? Yep. So you can pretty much include this on social media. You can include it in your emails, save it, and use it in your DMs and things like that. This looks pretty good. I'm happy with it. Look, I look happy in this photo also. Okay, so I'm gonna close this, and now we're exploring another way of creating a GIF. This time we're gonna include a photo, a video instead of a photo, right? So in the first one, I just took a photo with some elements that were on here. I just added animation to it. You can get pretty creative. You can, add some messages or whatever else you want to do. There are a lot of stickers already like animated that you can add, and there's a whole lot you can do with it. I'm keeping it simple just so that we can get through it quickly and share with you how to do it with a video. Okay, so I am searching for video GIFs to get some inspiration. I'm actually liking this one. It does say it's a pro one, but it's cute. I'm liking it. All right, so do I have to include my own video? Not really. You can just find some short videos in here, depending on the message you're trying to create. So something I like doing is like, I don't know, teamwork, or I'm trying to think what else. I'm going to go back here and I'm going to say, what else could be good? Let's see, happy videos comes up. Actually, let's do high five. This is just me playing, right? Okay, so I'm now looking for a short video with high fives. We're going to use those. I'm just going to hover my mouse over a few things. Okay, so these are cute. We won't spend a lot of time. This is cute. Oh my gosh, this is super cute. Okay, we're going with this one. We're going with the little baby one. So cute. Okay, so what I'm going to do is, let's see if I, so I'm just double clicking on this object. I'm going to remove the photo that's on here already. So in the same frame that was on the design, I'm just going to add this video. So I'm going to just drag it and drop it in here. Oh my goodness, how cute. Super cute, right? Okay. You're like, what are we going to use this for? Oh, just wait. Just wait. We'll have fun with it. Okay, so I'm going to add some of my own brand colors. Let's see. I mean, blue looks nice, but I'm going to go with my hot pink one. And I'm going to say, what am I going to say? Okay. How I feel when my text solution finally works or something like that. All right, maybe I say my code finally works. Okay, just I'm gonna just reduce the text size to make it more readable. This is not really our brand font, so I'm gonna change that to like this one better. I'll make it bold, and I want to make sure this is centered. So I'm going to go to position and arrange, and I'm going to hit center over here. So this looks good. Let's go ahead and add our logo to this design. Which one looks good? Oh my gosh, it's huge. I'm gonna remove that. And can I add? Yeah, let's do that. Let's add simplify one thing, right? And I'm gonna again make this centered, and I'm gonna change the font style to this. Okay, so this is what I'm going with. I'm actually quite happy with the way this looks. I'm gonna make it. I can make it a little bit bigger if you want the video to look a little bit bigger. We can do that. And I'm gonna move this down. Okay, so this is looking quite good to me. I mean, these got moved a little. I can. They're just additional. Like if you want to keep them, keep them. If they bother you, you can remove it. No problem. Okay. So just like that, right? It's, oh my gosh, this makes me so happy. Okay. So this is an 11-second video that we've included in here. I am liking this. So let's just go ahead and download this as a GIF, right? So I'm going to keep it as GIF as a file type, and I'm not going to do both pages. I'm just going to click on the second page, page 2 of this, and let's just go ahead and download it. This will take a little bit of time because it's a video at pretty high resolution. Let me know if you have any questions. Let me know if I've gone too fast and something is sounding confusing. I just love playing with tech. We're watching a pot boil as this GIF downloads. But the cool thing is, after you have it, you can use it over and over. You can also upload it to giphy.com, and who knows, it might go viral. Because from there, it can be shared publicly anywhere. Almost. So while it's doing that, I'm just wondering about anything else. So if the video is too long, you can shorten it also in here. Once it's finished, I can show you how that would work. We're just waiting. Oh, while you are waiting, oh, it's done. All right, let's open. Interestingly, it didn't get a thumbnail. It just has a pink preview. Look at that. Super cute, isn't it? So this is what people would see. Oh, I love it. This would make me happy, just like, looking at that every day. Okay, so this is done. I hope that this was helpful. If you need help with anything for your business, you want to talk about tech strategy, you can definitely book a call with me. I will quickly show my calendar link if you want to grab that. If you want to watch me add this GIF to an email and just craft an email using that, like, some messaging around it, that could be pretty fun. So I can do that in my private group. Go ahead and join my Facebook group. I'm quite active in the group, sharing additional tips and other things that come up throughout the day for me, some fun things in the private group. I'm not on the public Facebook page as much. I feel sometimes I'm mostly in my community. So if you would like to hang out with me, please join my community. It's facebook.com/groups/wealthy startups. I hope you enjoyed today's session. Let me know if you have any questions, and I will be back next week with another tech tutorial. May peace and blessings be with you.